Hello everyone, I am Moise and today I'm going to show you how to make a Pong game using Scratch. So as you guys maybe have played Pong game but you never tried to make by your own self. So now today I'm going to show you how you can make it by your own. And so for this thing we have to use Scratch website, or you can use Scratch using on Windows or Linux. So the first thing that we have to do is open our Scratch. Let's go to Scratch. So I already have the Scratch and I already done opening it. So the first thing, if you have any sprite in here, you can delete the sprite and you can click in here to change. If you click in here, you can choose ball. So the ball that we have to choose is, you can choose any kind of ball that you want to use. There is baseball, basketball, or a ball. So I'm going to use the ball, just that one. So this ball I already bring in here. So after that you have to do is, you can make some code for ball in here. Okay, so now let's go to events, bring when flag clicked. When flag clicked, I'm going to zoom it for you to see it more clearly. When flag clicked, point injection. So this is point injection. You can go to motions in here and you can bring point injections and put in below of when clicked. Let's see what is going. Nothing is happening because we didn't put any type of moving step. After that you can go to controls, bring forever, and then you can bring move from motions again. Bring move and put in here, and these steps are still same, and then you can bring if on edge bounce. Let's see, bouncing, yeah. So it's bouncing. If it touches on the edge, the ball is bouncing. It means our program is still running, but now I'm going to tell you what is actually happening in here. So if we just use this program without using point injection, the ball is just going to stay in the right side because there's a wall and it's not going to bounce back. So point injection, point direction in 90 degrees. So I will change it to 100 degrees and put it in below again. So it's now changing. It will gonna change to -9, -7. Let's try. Yeah, it's now changing the position. So point direction, that it's changing the position from upside to down or down to upside. That thing that is helping us for find the direction. So after that you have to do is make one, go to sprites again and bring pedal, PADD, yeah, pedal. We done bringing the pedal in here, and after that you have to do in here is, you can stop that program and go to events. You can bring when flag click. You can, yeah, you can tell you. Now we are going to use the, so actually guys, there is two ways to use pedal. So now I'm gonna go and show you all those ways first. So there is actually two ways, but I'm just gonna use the first way, that is forever. Go to motions. So in controls, forever is helping us, like forever, like just always doing that thing. Then we can set X. X is a program that help us to go a thing to right to left, and if we use Y, it's gonna help us from upside to down. So after we do that, we can click on, we can bring set X, and then where is it, in sensing, mouse X. Let's try. Yeah, it's moving. It's moving, yes, because we use set X to mouse X. So the mouse X is like X, as I told you, right to left and like that. So it's now moving from right to left. So we are going to use that one for this program. Let's go to ball again, and now we are going to make a bit of program again. Now we will make a bring when click, go to controls to bring forever again, then put if in down. So if we put so now actually what is going to happen is we are gonna go to if the ball touches the pedal, the ball will bounce back and it will gonna change the position, and then it will gonna come back to us again. So before I start that program, I'll show you how to bring some backdrops. You can go in just beside of sprite, you can click the backdrops, and you can take any kind of backdrop from here. So I'm going to use where is it, maybe see it, yeah, just this one, castle maybe. Yeah, this one. Or we can change it, we can also change it into sky. Okay, so if we change it in sky, we must change the color, but just use this one. Okay, so now we are going to do on ball, if go to sensing again, if touching pedal. So before we bring pedal, yeah, so in pedal, in touching pedal, so in here there is 3 mouse pointer, edge and pedal, so we are going to use pedal. After click pedal, now we're gonna go to motions and then turn the degrees. So now we are just going to, if touching the pedal, it will gonna turn the degrees to upside down. We can change it to 180. Let's see. Yes, it's happening. Yes, it's working. So this thing, you can also see in here, the ball, the size of the ball is actually really big. We are going to change it to 70 size. Yeah, it's fine for us. So the game is almost like on the way, and now that the thing that we have to do is change the scores. So how can we add some scores? So the thing that you have to do is go to variables. You can make a variable name score. Okay, score, yeah, we got showing here. Set my score 0, change my score if touching pedal. No, we are not going to use this in here, but we are going to use that code in pedal. Go bring when click, let's try and roll first. Yeah, touch pedal, scores, set my score is, so the first thing that you have to change it to score, and you must change it to 0 because your score that is going to start is from 0. Your score must to start from 0, and then it will gonna change by 1 1 and 1 by 2 3 4 and so on. But don't forget to change my variable name to scores. Okay, let's check again. Yes, 2 3. Yes, it's working. So now point injection that we made before, we can change it to 45 degrees. Let's go check it again. Yes, so it's working. So as you can see, we make a Pong game in here. So if you want to add some other things, we can also add in here, and I can also add some things in here, like starting like start the game, like game over. So let's start and add some. We can make by our own. Click on here, backdrops, one, go and just click text, you win. You can change this thing also. Let's put it in the middle. We can change the background now. We can change the background from here. Yes, this one. And we can add anything that we want, and that's really good for in here. So now we are going to bowl again. We are going to use if operators. So now we are going to use operator for if the score is equal to 10, then we are going to change everything and we are going to stop that game. If this score is equal 5, if the score is equal 5, so the scores we can bring from here, that bring scores, put in here. If the score is equal 5, looks switch backdrop to backdrop 1, and in here you don't forget to add some sound, start sound of, you can add some sounds from sounds, go here, click in here, and then add any kind of sound that you want to add for you. We click here, yes. After that you have to do is go back to code and make it stop the game, make it stop, and then change pop into collect. After you change it to collect, you put it in there upside. If touching pedal, collect sound, and then it will gonna also change it. And when click, the backdrop is must to be basketball. Let's see. Yes, there's a sound. Yeah, that sound is like your ball is like we forget to stop. So now we can click on controls, stop all, and also go to looks and hide our ball, and also pedal we can hide. Click on when click forever if the background yeah, just like this, we go to ball back, and now let's see again, is it stop or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, so we already get our backdrop that we made. So now as you already see the code, you can clean up the blocks, and you can also make it, and it's so easy game for children to learn and make their own game. For they're wasting their times to playing other games, they can make their own games and they can also play. So maybe that's all from me to that's all I can show how to make that game. So that's all. Thank you very much. Guys.